Yo! Ever scrolled TikTok and thought, wait, what did they just say? I'm talking Skibidi. No cap, glitchcore, fit check, fire, literally everywhere. Today I've got 5 viral slang words that'll have you sounding native. You'll blend in with any meme squad. Let's get straight to it. First up, Skibidi. This one exploded thanks to the Skibidi toilet dance. Over 65 billion views. It's a nonsense word, but when you say something so Skibidi, you mean it's totally wild or absurd in the best possible way. Picture this. Your cousin pulls a Skibidi face at dinner. Chaos. Or you hear a song with major high-energy meme vibes. That's pure Skibidi. Even filters. If they're goofy, they're kinda Skibidi. Number 2, no cap. If someone says, no cap, that's the best song ever, they're not lying, they're dead serious. It's Gen Z's way to sound real. Like, I'd eat this pizza every day, no cap. Or, you're the best dancer in class, no cap. Use it to hype your friends, no exaggeration. Next, fit check. This is your go-to phrase when you want to show off your outfit, or hype someone else's. Your friend walks in, fit check, you check the drip, and if it's fresh, you say that fits fire. Before leaving the house, mirror selfie, quick fit check. And if your airport fit goes viral, instant legend. Number 4, fire. You've heard this one for years, but it's still undefeated. If something's fire, it's amazing, top tier, next level. Like, this playlist? Fire. Or, your gaming skills today? Fire. It works for literally anything that slaps. Finally, glitchcore. This is a whole vibe. Think chaotic, digital, trippy edits. If someone's Insta feed has wild colors, flashing lights, and looks like it just got hacked by a meme bot, that's glitchcore. This edit is pure glitchcore. Or, he added glitchcore effects and a vaporwave track, next level. Alright, let's recap Skibidi. No cap. Fit check. Fire. Glitchcore. I dare you. Drop one in the comments or post your own fit check and tag me. Smash that like, hit the bell, and I'll see you for the next lesson. Peace.